Hit me, baby, one more time. Here we go. It is Thursday, February 20th, 20 and the 25, out here in the frozen tundra farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Check it in here live. Let's see what's happening. Hot stuff. Our TMF puts are at 97% a profit. And that is because what? TMF is at, where are you at? You're up here somewhere. There you are, 41.39. So, what is it? A penny a contract? Yeah. How many contracts we got? 20. You may as well just close them because you never know. TLT has been very elusive lately. I think that we're good to go, but I'll spend $20 to shut it down. 20 contracts. Oh boy, don't tell me it's one of those 5 cents or higher deals. It probably is, isn't it? You're paying $20 to get 20 contracts back. Yeah, I'm doing that. Why not take my money, right? Really? You're not taking my money yet? All right, leave it on the board. Yes. All right. Yeah, okay, so that one's on the board pending. Looking good. AGQ, uh-oh. Down $1,690. And this just happened. This just in. I rolled it again. Rolling. Because I have a feeling, I got a feeling that the bankster, fraudster, cartel is going to put in another battle. And they'll be trying to beat silver down tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on that. So I thought I'll roll these now, and then maybe I'll have an opportunity to close them out early prior to expiration. So roll them another week. We'll get to the spreadsheet in just a minute for how much dollar bills I collected. GDX puts are still, oh my gosh, GDX was looking so good, setting up to go down, and now it's trying to go back up. Come on. All the rest are in the green. All of those are leaps. Bitcoin 98,436. I know you're going to yell at me, but I did short it again. I shorted it, I don't know, probably an hour ago. And it was right around 98, around this number. Probably it must have been a little higher because it's showing them up $10 bills. But I don't have a firm handle on Bitcoin right now. I was just looking at its recent price action as a probability trade that once it got to around that 98.5, it was going to be rejected. It has so far, let's see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times it's been rejected at 98.5 or thereabouts. So I may go, if it gets back up to 98.5, which it's trying to do as we speak, I might take one more tranche, but I'll be playing it very tight because I don't have a firm grasp of direction right now. We'll look at the chart in a minute. And then Dust, that is short on the gold miners, and look, that is not working out well so far. It is not working out well. But that's okay. I've actually done 2 tranches, one yesterday, one today. Let's take a look at the action. So here's yesterday. Was not on the air with you yesterday. Got in early, too early, of course, as usual, on Dust. That is a leveraged directional short, essentially short of the gold miners. So I bought 1,000 shares at 45.15, and then bought another 1,000 today at 43.15. That was a great purchase so far. So, the math is not very difficult to do. Brings my average at 44.15. So I am in my whiskey right now. Shorted Nasdaq yesterday as well at 26.28 on the SQs, and I actually just got stopped out of that. Kept moving my stops up. Just, it made a nice move for me today, and then it just kind of looks like it was trying to turn against me. So let's check our math here. So I only had 1,000 shares. Let's see here. Here's the note. So it was 8 minutes ago. Got stopped out. Try your face ID again. Get your face in front of it. There you go. All right. So it triggered at 26.89. Okay. So that's not horrible. What did we get? 610? 610.10. We'll just round it down to 610. I know that's not a lot of money. It really is. 610 still a lot of money to me and probably always will be. So there's that in the books. Less than a 1-day trade. And it's currently trading at 26.84 right now. So was it early? We don't know. Those leveraged ETFs move around very violently. So a lot of times you'll see I will get in too early and then get out too early. But if it's for a profit, then more power to me. Here's our AGQ roll. Rolled it up and out again. Another dollar bill added. So essentially that's $13,000 because we have 13,000 shares, which equates to 130 contracts, 7 more days. Well, 8 days counting today. $2,900, which brings us to, we were at 15,151 plus 2,900. That equals $18,051 in premium, in options premium on this particular position. You know what? Another thing we got to check. I think we're at, 2875. That's another all-time high, 2875. Do have my finger on the trigger to redeem some money for both physical silver, and I did buy a bunch of baseball cards. I bought a bunch of baseball cards. I don't have any debt, but I do have a handful of credit cards, one of which is a PayPal credit card, which for like up to a full year, it's interest free if I pay it off in full from each time of purchase of 6 months. I don't know, some craziness like that. So, I'll just pay that off. Don't want to pay any interest, but I'll use them as leverage in the meantime because I've been racking up, I don't know, $10,000 balance at zero interest, all with baseball cards. So I'll pay that off in full, so I don't have to charge any interest. And in the meantime, I was using that money here, making some either interest in our money market or in our what do we have in cash right now? 1.45 million. So that's at 4% interest. So that's very nice. Yeah, go back down, GDX. Quit messing around. Because as my friend Big Worm said, playing with my money is like playing with my emotions. Put the name of the movie in the comments below. First one gets a $2 bill. There you go with your goofy jokes. You think that's funny? Okay, what are we missing? Charts. Yeah, okay, charts. Let's take a look real quick. Yep, silver. That's spot. Still, it's a battle. Tomorrow should be interesting because it could easily be a squeeze. And if it's squeeze, I'll be happily selling off all of those SLV leaps for lots of dollar bills. But I think that the fraudsters will put another little bit of a beating down on silver. They haven't been doing much of anything with gold, just losing more money. But if you've noticed, whenever they have beat it down, silver and the miners on Fridays, it hasn't held up very well. So we got that going for us. Sorry, just thinking out loud. Spot at almost 33. Come on. Hello. We're trying to make our way up to this 3. It's still, I don't know if I've got this right or not because it still kind of feels like tomorrow this thing's going to be back down here. They're going to, one, for sure, try to push it back down under the moving average, which they've been able to do over and over again recently. Bitcoin trying to challenge 98.5 again. So I might add another tranche to the short and then be real tight with the stops. I have no stop set yet. Okay, so keeping an eye out for that, but it's brewing. The shorts are brewing. The squeeze is brewing. Once they start covering, we're just going to be printing dough. Printing dough. Oh, we're losing traction again here with our internet. Come on now. You could do it. Catch back up. Can we get out? We can get out. My face moving? Nope. Face is frozen. Still recording. Yep. Can you hear me? Check, check, check. Radio check. Is my head moving again? No. Oh, I'm glad you're hanging around with me here. Hey, there's GLD. I still swear it's set up to take a breather, but it just doesn't want to do so. I mean, well, let's just keep moving this thing over. All right. Bitcoin's at 98.5. Let's go back here and just check. Let's check the biddy, the price on the biddy. That's why I don't know if I'll be able to do it live with my Elon internet ever or not. Because I am in the middle of a farm field, in the middle of nowhere. And this video now seems like it has paused. But I'm going to keep talking in case we do catch up. 2260. Is that right? No, 2257. Can you show me the actual price or not? I thought we were going to be doing some action live, but the internet is apparently not wanting to cooperate with me. But I will keep talking just in case. But where are we on the biddy? It's not giving me maybe that is accurate. Maybe it is 2260 right now. Can we get back to the charts? Will the charts cooperate with me? Where's GDX? Click on it, see if it comes up at all. This video is going from bad to worse, but we will keep at it for just a couple more seconds here. Still acting real wacky? Are you still there? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I'm going to have to shut this thing down and try to make a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. I apologize. Technical difficulty again. We went on a nice run of not having any technical difficulty. So I'm out of my Nasdaq short. Still got my gold miner short in play. And looking to take another tranche of a Bitcoin short, but I'll be playing that one real tight. Looking for silver to get a little bit of a face plant tomorrow with the fraudsters are going to try to step in with their shorts, but they're just setting themselves up for more losses, in my honest and accurate opinion. So that's what's happening here. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a level friend, and I'll see you in the next video. And hopefully that one will work properly.